Yeah, I didn't wake up in the best of moods. Probably not the day I should be filming. But I always said I'm the real deal, so you get the shit with the good stuff. Oh, but you just find a pair of clean socks, we'll be alright. Fuck! This tripod's an absolute piece of shit. At least when it comes to being a tripod. It's great for when you're holding it. But that's it. Yeah. Okay. You shut this fucking thing off. Get in their bullshit anyway. They're worse than ever. They all upset yesterday or the day before about Trump saying some shit. Look at this fucking fire. She just won't fucking go. Ugh, get in there. Come on. What the fuck? I've never had so much problems. Maybe it's just a day I should do nothing. All I'm going to do is end up cutting my fucking hand or something. That fucking chainsaw again. Maybe I'm better off just cutting my fucking hand off. Fuck, that's painful. I reached in there. There's nothing in the boot at all. Nothing. Zero. I'll put socks on and it'll be fine. Even though there's nothing in the boot. Am I bleeding? No. I didn't cut myself. I'm a little overdue for a foot soak. You know, diabetic and everything. I don't know what I'm going to do now to keep the cats from running out. I don't even know where I'm going to find a door for it. I can't take it anymore. It's ridiculous. Okay, let's try this again. Where are those small pieces of wood? Did I bring them in? Yeah, these are it right here, I think. Woohoo. God, I can't believe this isn't catching. It's unreal. I'm having to do this. Believe me, I'm about ready to give up for the fire today. Isn't that nice, eh? I should just leave this right here. So true. Please fix the fucking thing. Let's try and smile. No, I have not smoked a joint. On purpose. Running a chainsaw on a joint? Not today, not with my mood. Look at the smoke pour out of that now. Where there's smoke, there's fire, but not in my fucking wood stove today. How are we doing, Bus? Are we still charging? Yep. You gotta get her good and tight. That's what it is. The connections. The little things they put on there, though, are so small and shitty. I think what I'm going to do is I may have True swap those out for a heavier set. Shouldn't be a problem. Right, Canadian Tire? Yeah. Wrong arm, Paul. Don't fuck up your bad arm. It's already fucked as it is. When you're using a chainsaw, you don't push down. If you have to push down, then that chain is not sharp enough. So, like I say, mine right now is just on the side of needing sharpening. I've got enough wood for tonight. I can mix these dryer 6-inch pieces. These would fit perfect in the bus, I think. The bus wood stove. How's that smoke doing? Well, there's lots of smoke. Unfortunately for me, when it's smoke, it's not fire. Like, you know, where there's smoke, there's fire. Fuck. Ah. Let's see what I'm seeing here. Hey neighbor, you getting ready too? Probably not a big deal. The weather people, not like it was in the old days. Everything's a polar vortex, or World War III was snow, and I'm like, man, it's just a fucking snowstorm. All the words to scare people. That's what they do, eh? They want you scared so you don't think about how you're getting so fucked over. Here's one for you folks. Canadians, you gotta love us Canadians. Here, I'll tell you why. Okay, I don't know if it's happening in the States. Probably it is. Wendy's decides to start raising their prices at lunchtime and at dinner time. Okay, fair enough. Canadians, oh my God, we got to start a petition. We got to do this. Everybody's freaking out on the fucking, what do you call it, on the Facebook, this, that, and the other thing. Meanwhile, down in the States, I was watching Dave's RV Life. I think he was in South Carolina. He was paying the equivalent of 70 cents American a liter. So for us, that's probably 85 cents a liter. Right now here in Canada, we're paying, hang on a minute, 75 and 75 is 150. Hang on, I gotta do 4 liters, so 150, so $6 divided by 4 is what? 4 times 50 is $2. 4 times $1 is $4. So we're paying well over $4 a gallon for gas, right? So what did I just say? $1.50 a liter times 4 makes a gallon. That's $6. Okay, divide that by, $6. That's $6 Canadian. And you guys are paying $2.69. Sorry, that's, what am I? Fucking Jesus. Ooh, concussion. Okay, $1.50 is 3. $6, okay? So, that works out to $6 a gallon, as opposed to what you're paying down there for $2.89, okay? Or it's $2.69, whatever you paid in South Carolina. Now, I know there's places a little bit more, whatever, but we're paying $6 Canadian per gallon of gas.